Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into 5 financial habits that can completely transform your finances in 2025. These are the exact strategies I used to achieve financial freedom by my late 20s, and trust me, they work. We're talking about simple, actionable steps you can start implementing today to gain control of your money and start building a brighter financial future. Let's get started. All right, let's kick things off with the foundation of any solid financial plan: budgeting. It's the cornerstone that supports all your financial goals and dreams. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Budgeting? That sounds boring. But bear with me because it's more exciting than it seems. But trust me on this one. Think of your budget as your financial roadmap. It's your guide to achieving financial freedom and security. It helps you track where your money is going so you can make informed decisions about how to spend it. This way, you can avoid unnecessary expenses and focus on what truly matters. Start by listing out all your sources of income. This includes your salary, side hustles, and any other money coming in. Then, track your expenses for a month, writing down every dollar you spend. Use a journal, an app, or a spreadsheet, whatever works best for you. You'll be surprised how quickly those small purchases can add up. A coffee here, a snack there, it all counts. Once you have a clear picture of your cash flow, you can identify areas where you might be overspending and find opportunities to save more. This is where the magic happens, turning your financial goals into reality. Now let's talk about automating your savings. This simple yet effective strategy can transform your financial future. This is one of the most powerful financial habits you can develop because it takes the effort out of saving. By automating your savings, you ensure that you are consistently putting money aside without having to think about it. Here's how it works. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account every time you get paid. This way, you are prioritizing your savings before any other expenses. Think of it as paying yourself first. This mindset shift can make a huge difference in how you manage your money. The key is to make this a consistent habit. Consistency is crucial because it builds a strong foundation for your financial health. Start with a small amount if you need to, even $25 or $50 per paycheck. The important thing is to start, no matter how small. As you get used to it, gradually increase the amount you're saving. Over time, you'll find it easier to save more as you adjust your budget and spending habits. You'll be amazed at how quickly your savings will grow without even thinking about it. Watching your savings increase can be incredibly motivating and rewarding. Chapter 3. Cut the fat, eliminate unnecessary expenses. Next up, let's talk about cutting unnecessary expenses. This is where you can really start to free up some extra cash flow. Take a close look at your monthly expenses and identify areas where you can cut back. Do you really need all those streaming subscriptions? Could you switch to a cheaper phone plan? Are you eating out more than you can afford? Remember, small changes can make a big difference over time. For example, bringing your lunch to work instead of eating out every day could save you hundreds of dollars each month. Chapter 4. Conquer your debt. Start with high interest. Now let's talk about debt. Debt can be overwhelming, but with the right approach, you can take control of your financial future. If you're carrying high-interest debt, like credit card debt, it's important to make paying it down a priority. High-interest debt can be a significant burden on your finances. High-interest debt can quickly snowball and eat away at your income, so it's crucial to tackle it aggressively. The longer you wait, the more it grows, making it harder to manage. Start by making more than the minimum payment on your highest interest debt while making minimum payments on your other debts. This approach helps reduce the principal faster, saving you money on interest. Once you pay off your highest interest debt, move on to the next highest one. Celebrate each milestone to stay motivated. This strategy, known as the debt snowball method, can help you build momentum and stay motivated as you chip away at your debt. By focusing on one debt at a time, you can see progress and feel a sense of accomplishment. Chapter 5. Financial self-education. Invest in your future. Finally, let's talk about the importance of financial self-education. The more you know about personal finance, the better equipped you'll be to make sound financial decisions. Luckily, there are tons of resources available to help you learn. Read books, listen to podcasts, watch YouTube videos, and consider taking online courses. Remember, investing in your financial education is one of the best investments you can make. The knowledge and skills you gain will pay dividends for years to come. Outro your best financial year. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Remember, achieving financial freedom is a journey, not a sprint, but a marathon. Start by implementing one or two of these habits today, and gradually incorporate the rest over time. Let's make 2025 our best financial year yet.